If you're anything like me and you have hundreds of ideas and Logic Pro projects that you can't remember what they are, it can be a massive pain and really time consuming to have to always open up the project to hear what the idea was or what is contained within the project. With this tip, I will show you a quick and easy way to get around that. First off, I'm going to open up this project. Now that I've opened the project, I can hit play to remind myself what the project was. And I remember it as a track that I was working on and really into and looking forward to develop. So to save myself the time of having to wait for the project to open every time, I just want to remind myself of what it was. Bouncing out a work in progress to an MP3 can be a massive time saver. So what I'm going to do here is just go to File, Bounce, Project or Selection, or I could use Command B to open up the bounce in place. I'm just going to select MP3. I'm only going to bounce out the cycle region. I could bounce out the whole track if I wanted to, if it was more progressed than this, but obviously you can see here it's just a very simple idea. So I select OK. I would tend to put this in the root directory. This is my bounce, hit bounce. Now I have an MP3 to remind myself what the track was when I'm browsing through my Finder window. As you can see now in the project folder, I have bounced out MP3. So rather than having to wait and open the project file and however long that might take, and it could take a while if you have a particularly big project with lots of virtual instruments and plugins, all I have to do now is hit the space bar and I can preview the track. As you can see now, as we go down, I have all of these as idea previews. So I can just remember what the track was and start working on it if I feel inspired, or delete it if I no longer want to work on it. Bouncing a work in progress MP3 can be a massive time saver over the amount of time it takes to open a Logic project.